Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting fast. Stop using the card so you prevent additional charges. Once done, methodically check the places you were in the last 24 hours: pocket linings, jacket, bags, car seats, ATM slot, store counter, because most cards are nearby. Make sure to note the last purchase time and the merchant. This helps you verify transactions later. Also have your account phone number or online banking ready. You'll need it to report and freeze the card immediately. Once you confirm the card is missing, call the bank's hotline or use the app to freeze or block it. This stops new charges while you search. Make sure to review recent transactions in the app. Flag anything unfamiliar so the bank can investigate. Request a replacement card and confirm delivery timing and any interim solutions like a virtual card or cash withdrawal limits. If the bank offers temporary numbers, use them. They let you pay safely while you wait for the physical card. To finish, dispute any unauthorized transactions promptly. The bank needs details and dates, so keep records of calls and emails. Once you receive the replacement, update recurring payments and link services. This prevents missed bills. If you suspect theft, file a police report and provide the report number to the bank. This strengthens your claim. If the card isn't found after 48 hours, follow up with escalation channels at the bank. Make sure to ask for case number and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.